to find out what she predicts for today's forecast.
I'm predicting those blue skies in front of you and continue to see those blue skies off in the distance inland at this time. But behind this front, the big story is the big chill that we're going to experience with it. Temperature is about 20 degrees below average as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. System is that it will continue to move to the north, but it's going to make a northeasterly turn. Why is it going to make a northeasterly turn? Well, see that blue? That's where that storm is, but off towards our west where that drier air is in the upper level of the atmosphere, there's an inland trough. This inland trough, this is going to steer the storm off to the north and east. So certainly if you are driving on any of the roads, it is a bit of a washout of a day across the area.
It's just about any minute now.
Wind and rain, wind and rain. We're going to continue to see that as we head throughout the afternoon today, especially as we head towards 3 p.m. That's when we'll see those wind gusts gusting up a little bit higher, especially along that immediate coastline. Here's a look at the system right now. Yeah, another humid start to the day. Already seeing those feels like temperatures into the 90s right now. Inland showers and storms, currently temperatures in the lower 80s. But when you factor in the heat and humidity, feels like temperatures are in the 90s. As we head throughout the afternoon, we're going to see that cloud cover building up along that sea breeze, and that's where we'll see a few showers and storms firing up, especially into the afternoon. Right now, though, over the low country, the good thing is that much of the severe weather threat is over at this time as a result of much of the instability remaining well to the south of us. But taking a look at the impacts that we'll see with the system, the main one, marine impacts. You don't want to be at the beach today. Rip currents are high, surf is high, and that beach erosion will be a threat.
Down to the Battery tonight. That's where we find our storm tracker meteorologist Jennifer Collins, who spoke with city officials today on plans for Isaias. Jen?
Yeah, Tessa, with blue skies and breezy conditions out here on the harbor, it is a gorgeous evening on the Battery, but the city of Charleston is closely monitoring Hurricane Isaias. Landfall most likely along that border of South Carolina, North Carolina, could possibly become a Category 1 hurricane, but that's only a difference of 5 miles per hour. So we aren't going to see much in change of impacts. We'll see it change name. Actually moving to the north of us at this time, but right off the coast starting to see just a broad area of circulation right now. There could be a water spout well offshore, south of Sullivan's Island, south of Isle of Palm right now, and that will continue to stay offshore. So we are closely monitoring that, but not looking to be a threat for land at all. That the center of the storm still remaining off our coast, and that's where we'll see the bulk of this rain will be to our north. But look at that. We're already drying out as we head towards midnight tonight, and by the time we wake up tomorrow morning, we're actually going to see some sunny skies moving in as we head throughout the day. And another hot and humid afternoon here across the low country and Charleston. We're starting to see those 90-degree temperatures continue even as we head throughout the month of August. We're approaching fall, though, ever so slowly, but we're chalking up the 90s throughout this past summer, and we've racked up nearly 50 days so far in 2020 of 90-degree weather. Compared to last year, we certainly are a little bit slower, but still chalking them up. Last year, we saw 82 days of 90-degree weather. Today, high temperatures across the area, still in the 90s, though 88 degrees in Myrtle Beach was the high temperature. 93 degrees was the high temperature here in Charleston, and we're still seeing those temperatures in the upper 80s at this time. Still feeling hot and humid as well, with feels like temperatures continuing in the upper 90s here in Charleston, feeling like 97. Still feeling like the triple digits, though, in Myrtle Beach and Columbia. Some of our coastal areas this afternoon felt those heat index values in the 108 range, so it certainly was a hot and humid day, even for some of our coastal spots. Taking a look at the radar right now, just a little bit of pop-up shower activity at this moment. That sea breeze moved in this afternoon. That's where we saw a few showers triggering in areas of the low country, including Goose Creek right now, just to the north, starting to bring some heavy rain along Highway 52 and Highway 176 at the moment. That's going to continue to stay in that area. And we're also looking at another isolated thunder shower just to the south of Ridgeville. Across the southeast, that pop-up shower and storm activity developing along the sea breeze, especially into areas of central Florida at this time, and across areas of the Gulf Coast as well. High pressure remaining offshore. That's going to keep us pinned between an inland trough and that high pressure. Continue to see those higher than normal rain chances even as we head towards the start of the week. For tonight, clearing out. Could see those coastal showers starting up in the early morning with that southerly wind. Going to stay warm and muggy overnight with that inland trough remaining in place. And by the afternoon, with that trough inland, we'll see a short wave energy start to make its way towards South Carolina. Sea breeze showers and storms fire up into the early afternoon, and we're going to remain unsettled even as we head towards the evening as that shortwave energy continues to move closer to the coast. Higher than normal rain chances Monday and into Tuesday as well. And we're going to continue to see the chance for afternoon showers and storms each day through Friday as well. We're going to keep that August heat and humidity around as we head throughout the next few days. But another thing that's heating up is the tropics once again. We're looking at an area in the central Atlantic, a tropical wave that just moved off of Africa. It has about a 50% chance of development as it continues to move across the Atlantic towards the Lesser Antilles. And eventually we could see it's developing. It has a medium chance, but once it crosses that past 5 days, it's going into some lesser favorable environments. So something we are monitoring closely as we are in the middle of hurricane season at this time. Your Fish and Game forecast: poor conditions earlier on the day, fair conditions in the morning. We'll see a southerly wind anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, partly cloudy, warm and muggy, temperatures in the middle to upper 70s with that westerly wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour, and continuing to stay hot and humid throughout the day tomorrow. Upper 80s along the coast, lower 90s inland, and we'll see the chance for more afternoon showers and storms even throughout the rest of the day tomorrow. Higher than normal rain chances stick around for the start of the week. We'll see temperatures still around the average for this time of the year in the lower 90s at this time. Overnight temperatures warm and muggy in the middle 70s, and we'll see the 90s continuing even through next weekend, and we'll still see that chance for an afternoon shower and storm.